Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So Polygon is doing really well, continues to do really well, is holding well, did not even come down in my green area so far at least, yeah. But let's start from a little bit of the higher level perspective here. MATIC broke out of this inverse head and shoulders. By the way, while MATIC was the first one, maybe there were a few others that were before, but there are some other coins that are either just breaking out now or have just broken out or just nearly about to break out. One of these examples is Dogecoin. Then we have what was the other one? Polkadot broke out here a couple of days ago. So, you know, there are other opportunities that haven't broken out yet, just saying. Okay, but MATIC is performing really well. Came up in an impulse, formed an impulse, and it has already completed the requirements for an impulse. Let me just close it. There was a dog in the background. Don't know what he's doing in the next door, but okay. So we moved up in a 1-2 setup and another 1-2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is how it's currently looking like. And because we have a first 1-2 setup here of the higher degree, the next one is the lower level or the lower degree, which means that when you have 1-2 here, which are of the higher degree, that wave 3 will be completed as soon as you have the lower degree impulse complete. So if we zoom in, you will see that this yellow impulse of 5 waves will complete that third wave in red. Okay, so that means there will be a fourth wave coming and then a fifth wave to the upside. I don't think at the moment that the fifth wave in yellow is complete. That's why I formulated here an area of a retracement area for that, a subdivision of the wave 5. Yeah. So basically that fifth wave, it could technically be complete. Because we can, on the lower time frame, we can count this as an impulse. We can count 5 waves here. Now, if that was the case, then it would mean that wave 3 was finished here as well. And we would then follow the dotted line scenario. So where you see the dotted arrows here going into the wave 4 target area and then up from there in a wave 5. At the moment, the retracement we've seen at the moment does not point towards that scenario. It was a very weak retracement, and to be honest, we only really reached the 23.6% fib level. That is very bullish. If we now break above 99 cents, then we are going to go higher, of course. You know, that would then be the scenario. The market then was so bullish that it did not even reach here the green area. Yeah, this is of course the area where you would expect in such a retracement the price to get into with the highest likelihood, because we could then count this off the fifth wave only as the first wave within the fifth wave, because the fifth wave also has 5 subwaves, which means that you would have seen here a 1. This was probably the 2, but a very weak wave 2, and we would go into the wave 3 if we break above 99 cents. So that means we are going to go up quite a bit more than where we are now. So this is going to be interesting. It's not entirely clear yet, because we need the evidence that we go above 90. Now we need that confirmation that we go above 99 cents. So we obviously reached my target area here. We did not quite reach this area here. We missed it basically by 1.5 cents. Okay, maybe we still get there as long as we don't make a higher high above 99 cents. We can still get there. Yeah, but if you go above 99, it just increases the probability that we will go up in a wave 3. So looking at those subwaves here, I would count this then as a 1, a 2. Next will be a 3, a 4, and a 5, completing then eventually this wave 5 in yellow. What would be the target for the third wave? We can calculate that as well. wow, it would be at 135. Now that would be the ideal target. I'm not sure, very honest with you, I'm not sure if we get there, because the wave 1 seems to be a very long one. Yeah, seems to be an extended wave 5. So that doesn't necessarily mean that the wave 3 will reach that target. Another target that we could look at is here $1.18, and I will put that onto the chart as resistance level. $1.18, that's the 1-to-1 ratio for the wave 3. Yeah, and at the moment it looks like that we are not going to get into this green area, even though we still could, and that would be ideal, and go up from there. If we see a deeper retracement, then we are probably in this scenario where we have the wave 5 complete here, the wave 3, and then come down in a deeper retracement. That would then be an area where I would load up some MATIC. That would be between 76 and 85 cents. Okay, and from there we would then move up in a fifth wave in red. So yeah, as you can see, both scenarios are pretty bullish. They basically stand until we go below 73 cents, 72, 73 cents. Yeah. If we break below that, then we have to rethink this entire scenario. But both of the scenarios I showed you are bullish. And anybody who missed to buy in this long accumulation phase, I mean, we had 2 months time to accumulate here. Anybody who missed this could, of course, wait here for the wave 4 dip, or could wait until that fifth wave is complete, and we will then get this entire move corrected, where we might come down into the region of around 70 to 80 cents once more anyway, and maybe even a bit lower. Okay, and that's my view about MATIC. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.